Hi guys, today we're gonna do chain tightening on a single-sided swing arm VFR 750. Mine is 1992. Sorry about that. 1992 Honda VFR 750F. Pretty good specimen here. Anyway, shucks, I just overthought this doggone thing. This is the toolkit, and that's basically all you need to tighten the chain on this VFR or all of these single-sided swing arm deals. It's a 17 millimeter, and it is in the toolkit. You use your spanner wrench right here, and it also comes with a nifty little handle that you can connect. But I found that, shucks, just this spanner handle alone is more than enough. And if you look inside there, you'll see it. I don't know if you can see it with this video, but you see that little arrow right inside here there? That's showing you that that's the way you tighten it. You stick your little spanner wrench inside here, right inside this slot right here. You turn it in the direction of that arrow, and it's to tighten it. And if you over tighten it, guess what? Spin the handle around, stick it underneath, and loosen it the opposite way. I just did my chain, and I think I got it at where I want it. And you know, I thought it was a lot harder than this. Oh, this nut, if you have to rebuild your hub because your elliptical chain adjuster won't turn, this is a 42. I found that out at my friend's shop. Anyway, thanks for enjoying my video, and I'll see you guys out there on the road or on the dirt, or tomorrow we're gonna go ride, so I'll post another video tomorrow. We'll have a lot of fun. Alright, aloha. Take care. Honda USA.